In this Python coding video, we will understand the problem 1 of problem set 1 for Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python. Let's have a look at the question first. Problem 1. Assume S is a string of lowercase characters. Write a program that counts up the number of vowels contained in the string S. Valid vowels are A, E, I, O and U. For example, if S is equal to azcbobobegghakl, the program should print number of vowels 5. Before we begin, please understand that there may be several possible ways to solve any given coding problem. The way I am attempting to solve this is just one of the many possible solutions. If you want, you can pause this video here, try to attempt this problem on your own, and then come back to this video to see the way I have tried to solve this. Okay, let's begin. We have been provided a variable s which stores the string value. We would not this variable when we submit our final code to the edX grader, but as of now, we will start with this variable having some initial value. Just be aware that this statement will not be part of our final code which will be submitted. So S is equal to azcbobobegghakl. Here we initialize the variable s with the same value provided in the question above. Num underscore vowels is equal to 0. Next we create a variable num underscore vowels and give it an initial value of 0. This variable will be used to store the number of vowels in a given string. For char in s. Then we write the for loop to iterate over each character of the string. If char equals a or char equals e or char equals I or char equals O. Or char equals U. Colon enter. Next we add the if condition to check if any character is equal to any of the 5 given vowels A, E, I, O or U. Then num underscore vowels plus is equal to 1. If a character is the same as A, E, I, O or U, then we increment the value of num underscore vowels by 1 every time a vowel character is found in the string. Print number of vowels num underscore vowels. Finally, we print the output as the number of vowels in the string s. Now, let's run this program. And we see that our code is correct and it displays number of vowels 5. Thus, we have verified that our code is correct. Now, before we submit the code to the edX grader, we need to make sure that we have deleted the first statement, this one, and after that only we do our final summation. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we will try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.